Do you dream of living an extraordinary life? Imagine going on fabulous vacations, enjoying financial freedom, dining at exquisite restaurants, and exploring endless possibilities. Well, there's a secret to achieving all of this. It's called DCA investing. This strategy is so simple, even your grandma can master it. All you need to do is learn how to open a brokerage account and press the buy button. Sounds easy, right? Dollar cost averaging investing, DCA, is a straightforward yet powerful strategy for beginners. By consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations, DCA takes the emotions out of investing and ensures a disciplined approach. This allows you to ride out the volatility of the market. You might be wondering, why should I choose DCA over other investment strategies? Well, my friend, DCA offers a plethora of benefits. Firstly, it allows you to take advantage of the principle of buying low and selling high, by accumulating more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This ultimately lowers your average cost per share and potentially increases your returns over the long run. So how does DCA work? It's simple. You invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals into SPY or QQQ ETFs, such as every month or every paycheck. This means that when prices are low, you end up buying more shares, and when prices are high, you buy fewer shares. Over time, this strategy smooths out the ups and downs of the market, allowing you to benefit from the overall growth. Now, here's a truth bomb for you. Timing the market is a risky game, even for seasoned professionals. As a beginner investor, it's nearly impossible to predict the perfect time to enter or exit the market. DCA eliminates the need for this guesswork and ensures that you're consistently building your investment portfolio, regardless of market conditions. If you're in it for the long haul and looking to grow your wealth steadily, DCA is your secret weapon. By sticking to this strategy over several years, you can take advantage of compound interest and the power of time in the market. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint.